the online classes of Shivaji.com institutions. Myself, Prachi Trivedi, mathematics teacher of class 9. Students, in previous video, we had discussed about the decimal numbers. Okay, decimal numbers are actually in 3 types. Firstly, terminating decimal and non-terminating. Okay, and we can divide non-terminating decimal in 2 types. First is non-terminating repeating decimal, and second is non-terminating non-repeating decimal. Non-repeating decimal. Okay. Now let's see the example. Terminating decimal, for example, when we divide this, we get 0.5. Okay. Non-terminating decimal, example 0.666, and non-terminating non-repeating decimal, for example 0.31456 and so on. Okay, we can write this number in the form of 0.6 bar. Okay, okay students, and terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal are the rational numbers. Okay, are the rational numbers, and non-terminating non-repeating decimal are the irrational numbers. Now students, operations on rational number. Okay, let's see. First is addition. Let two rational numbers 1/2 and 1/3. Okay, now add it. 1/2 plus 1/3. Find the LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3, which is 6. Okay, then we get 6. 3 plus 2 means answer is 5/6. Okay, again subtraction of 1/2 minus 1/3. Again LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Then 6, 3 minus 2, which is 1/6. Okay, now let to another rational number 1/2 and minus 1/3. Okay, when we multiply it, 1/2 into minus 1/3. In this case, students, numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator, means we get minus 1 into 1 minus 1 and 3 into 2 6. Okay, then we divide it 1/2 divided by minus 1/3. Okay, in this case 1/2, when division sign change into multiplication, the numerator and denominator will be changed. Okay, means it become 3/1. Okay, now multiply it. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3 and 2 into 1 2. Okay, now students, equivalent rational number. Okay, now how we find equivalent rational number? If P and Q are two rational numbers and m is a non-zero integer, then equivalent rational number is equals to p upon q into n. Okay. For example, find 3 equivalent rational number of minus 1 upon 3. Okay. In this case, student, we take value of m is equals to 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now 3, when you multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator, the number become minus 2 upon minus 6 plus 6. Okay. Again, when we multiply by 3, the number become minus 3 upon 9 and minus 1 by 3 into 4, minus 4 by 12. Then this minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 9 and minus 4 by 12 are the 3 equivalent rational numbers of minus 1 by 3. Okay. Again, student, in second case, if P and Q are two rational number and M is the common divisor of P and Q, then P, this is also the form of rational number. For example, minus 3 by 9. Okay, and we know that the common divisor is 3. Then when we divide, we get minus 1 by 3. Then minus 1 by 3 also the equivalent fraction of minus 3 by 9. Okay. Now students, next the standard form of a rational number. Okay. Then P, a rational number P and Q is said to be in standard form if Q means denominator is positive number and there is no common factor of P and Q. For example, 30 upon minus 72. Firstly, we change is minus 30 upon 72. Now, the HCF of 30 and 72 is 6. Okay. Then divide it. We get minus 5 by 12. In this case, student, we can say that minus 5 by 12 is the standard form. Okay. Student, listen, there is no common factor between P and Q other than 1. Okay. So, when P and Q are given, firstly find the HCF and then divide the numerator and denominator by the HCF. And we get the standard form. Okay. Now students, change of rational number in decimal form. Change of rational number in decimal form. Okay. by actual division method. Okay. Now the question is minus 3 whole 1 by 8. Okay. We know that this is in the mixed fraction form. Okay. Firstly we change it. Then it become 25 by 8. 25 by 8. Now divide it. We get 3. Then we take decimal. Then it becomes 10. Okay. And 8 become 1 time. Okay. In this case, students, we find 3.125. Okay. Now, with the help of actual division method, we can change the rational number in the decimal form. Students, you know that this rational number is in the form of terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Okay. And next example is 8 by 11. Okay. 2 by 11. When we divide it, nine, again 0, 8, 11 is 88. We get remainder 2. Okay. 1, 11, 9. Again we get 0. Again 8. Students, in this question we see that the string of remainder 2, 9, 9. Okay. Remainder 9, 2, 9, 2. Okay. Means in this case we will never get remainder as 0. Okay. Then this is the example of non-terminating repeating decimal, and point we can write in the form of 0.18 bar. Okay.